I'ma get it. You know I be on the way. Yeah. You know I be on the way. Man on a mission, I'ma get it. You know I be on the way. Yeah. It's all hard, ain't no fear here. You ain't giving this to all, you steer clear. Never beat, I've been down and I reappear. You got some money on the line, you better put it here. Rolling in and doing that work. Check priorities, I'm doing that first. Checks big and I'm sure that hurts. But it's checkmate, we ain't selling short, know the work. Ain't nowhere to hide. You ain't gotta see me come and keep me on your mind. Cause I be on the way. Yeah. You know I be on the way. Man on a mission, I'ma get it. You know I be on the way. Yeah, man, we coming for them bags. If they said I couldn't have, get the team. I got a vision for the things you ain't believe. And here's the motto, hard work, this over everything. It's that comeback. I'm calling plays, hit the pass, then the run back. Yeah, I'm far ahead and gotta run last. But we ain't letting up, we never done that. Ain't nowhere to hide. You ain't gotta see me come and keep me on your mind. Cause I be on the way.
Habi na ko na yung pugs ba? Bis marong niya kung gianihan ka rin ba ang pugs? Wala man ba? Sada kayo walay tao. Kami na ni Miming.
Miming?
Walay tao ba? Wala kay tao. Abot ko dili ba? Dili man sa unaw. Silang GM. Dagan min sa man dili ba? Buntag na to na nimi. Buntag mi ang anhibay niya. Kan kamera
Miming?
kadung pagkaon naman dia. Unsa ko oras dagan niya ako. Grabe ni abot ko diri ba. Wala ko mapping. Kaya ram le kay ba bisag wala kay Vista. Streeton lang dagan. Pas ba mulgo to na record ako ano. Kung nagdagan ko mulgo to na record ba.